Hey guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. In our last video, we learned about the CSS of a down triangle. In this lesson, we are going to learn the CSS of right triangle and left triangle. Create here a div tag, then give the class name as right triangle. Next, inside the style tag, we are going to write the CSS. We have here the border top 100 pixels solid, border bottom 100 pixels solid, and border left 172 pixels, which is 72% higher than the pixels used in border top or border bottom. The type of border we have here is solid and the color is green. The width should be 0. Add transparent to border top. Add transparent to border bottom. We have successfully created here a right triangle. Now if you want to create a left triangle, you just need to change this to border right. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.